One of the easiest and quickest ways that you can start making money online is through one-on-one coaching. You don't have to have a product, you don't have to build out a course, you don't have to build out a membership site. You just need one person to agree to pay you to coach them one-on-one. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to get your first client. I'm gonna talk about what's called a discovery call. And I'm gonna give you my process for doing this start to finish so that you can take this and go pursue your first coaching client. We got all that coming up in this video. This is day 78 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We're doing 90 videos all about your online business and how to start it, build it, and grow it on Kajabi. And the cool thing is Kajabi right now, if you're watching this when I put this out, Kajabi has their coaching accelerator program happening right now. There's some really cool perks that you can get if you join Kajabi using my link right now, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Click there and you'll find a 30-day free trial and also some really cool things that you get when you join right now that will help you start your coaching business. So when it comes to getting a coaching client, the first and easiest thing that you can do is email your email list on Kajabi or wherever you host it and say something like this: I have some open slots for personalized one-on-one coaching. If this is something you're interested in, please reply to this email and let me know. That's the simplest, easiest way that you can do it. If you want to go a little bit more fancy, you can give them a form that they can fill out where you can ask specific questions, but honestly, you don't really need to do even that. When you send this out, you're gonna get responses. Depending on how big your email list, you might get more, you might get less, but someone is going to say, yeah, I would like personalized one-on-one coaching. When that happens, you invite them to do a 15-minute discovery call with you. Now, this process of what to do on this discovery call is something that I learned from Graham Cochran, so I wanna give him credit because I have used this many times and it has been really great for me. So you get on that discovery call with that person. Now, by this point, this person knows you, likes you, and trusts you. They know you because you put out content. They've gotten on your email list somehow. They've downloaded your lead magnet along the way. And they like you, or they wouldn't have wanted coaching from you, and they trust you, or they wouldn't have wanted to get coaching from you. So that's kind of happened. You've got some authority with this person. They have reached out to you in response to a broadcast email to everybody. Hey, would you like coaching? They've said, yeah, what about me? So you need to see yourself in the position of someone who is qualifying a client. You're not trying to sell them something they don't want. You're trying to determine, are they the best fit for my coaching? Because your time is limited and there's only one of you to go around in these one-on-one sessions. And so you wanna be very selective. You don't wanna be desperate to get a client. So typically what I do in these settings is I just ask them to tell me what they're struggling with and how they think I might be able to help. And I listen. And as I'm listening, I write down a few things that they say. So they might say something like, well, I'm just trying to figure out what my first product could be that I could make. Or I don't have a plan for my business. Or I wanna make more money. Here's the money that I'm making and I think I could do better. I just don't know the best plan to put together. And as I'm listening, I'm writing down 1, 2, 3 things that I feel like I could help them with in a one-on-one coaching package. When they're through, what I'll say is something like, hey, Jim, I really appreciate you sharing with me. If we were to work together, I would help you with this, this, and this. And I give them a little bit of help right then and there. I say, you know, what I think you should do here is you could try this, and I could help you here to do that. And if you do this and that, then you might do this other thing, and all these things would come together. And as I'm doing this on this Zoom call, I'm seeing them come to life. I'm seeing them light up. They're going, hey, this is really cool. I mean, if he figured this out right here on this call, this would be really cool. He's probably somebody that I would want to work with. And then when that's done, I do not pitch on the call. I don't like to sell in person. This is one of the benefits of doing everything online. I don't have to say, hey, I charge X amount. Would you like to do it? I don't do any of that. What I do is I say, hey, let me think about this and I'll put together a proposal, and here in a few days, I'm gonna send you a proposal for what it could look like if we were to work together. A couple days go by, I email them, hey, Jim, really enjoyed our session. It was awesome. let me tell you, here's what I could help you with. This, and this, and I add a few things in there, and then I give 2 options, a 6-month package and a 12-month package. And I say, hey, I don't like to do anything less than 6 months, so here's what it would look like for us to work together for 6 months. Here's what it would look like for us to work together for 12 months. It's a little bit better deal if they pick the 12 months, but they can choose whichever one they want. And then I just wait for a response, and they get back with me and they say, yeah, that works, or no, it doesn't. Either way, it's fine with me. I do not negotiate on the price. I do not come down, because one way or the other, I don't really need to coach people one-on-one at this point. It takes up a lot of my time and my energy, so I charge a massive premium to do it. But if you're just getting started, you don't have to charge a massive premium. It just needs to be worth your time and effort. Definitely do not undercut yourself. Charge enough, but you can decide how much that is for you. If they agree, jump into the coaching product on Kajabi, set them up as a client, send them what they need to schedule their first session, and you are off to the races. If you want to get on Kajabi to do that, use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. I can't wait to see what you do when you jump on there and get your first coaching client. Check this playlist out right here for more tips and tricks and how to get started on Kajabi. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.